Aye kujigo wa here wa bota wa call. My brother Don Prissy, we wa here wa gwan ye na bege ndam he nutasin wa gwan yo wa settle re yan bijigo na. Ma understand. So otagbon ya kan make na legberi because he ga agbe yo nu concern you go. Oh eyan mu e talk ge frank. Eyan mu mi go ge frank. That is 100%. Eyan mu ge. Omomebo nu oti omomebo no ta lowo do. You understand? Do here agbe na no tun. Enu do mu ogi bakpara. You understand? So bon here been an otwe do here been an otwe. Social media na hina. Mwene la there social media gbon ya gbon yo. You understand? Ti oboni je me we ti oboni we wa ti oboni we me ti oboni we. So the other day, ogenu do ata lo ma we ogu mo original la dia ogu mo gera la dia. Oh ni ata social media my brother. So understand even so Don Prissy what all la we go settle orin yan Ivana mo what all.
You can settle orin yan aketi you no be David Gume. You can settle orin yan Ivana Itori.
Settle orin yan Iva we see.
Okay, we see. Ina gbo ma we see. Lady Aiku la wa va meeting gbo. Mama Lizzie abe mo na meet una self. Mama Lizzie, are you still there? Mama Easy.
I'm still here, sir.
Okay. I beg, Mama Easy, will you allow me to settle this you and Mama Aiku issue? You hear me?
The season.
Okay. I say,
hello.
I beg, you will allow me, may I settle you and Mama Aiku?
Hello.
You hear me?
I don't hear. Please. Okay. I don't hear this before.
Okay, you will allow me make I settle you and Mama Aiku.
Oh, network. Oh.
You don't hear me?
I don't want settlement with anybody.
No, why the settlement?
I don't hear you now.
Mama, you settle me why they told. Not me say una be still be free. At least I don't want to go see shot. I'm gonna go the fight.
Bros, may I just tell you the truth, May I not vex or I don't disrespect anybody. I know that your platform be this. I don't disrespect you. I don't want any settlement from anybody. If you say make I not follow and fight, yes, I feel say okay, I not go follow and fight, no wahala, everybody go do you, but I don't want to settle with anybody because this woman know me too well. If you know somebody, if they talk that we may take behind me, what on me, I hear when they talk now, you know, like we down we are making. Now if first started they swear for me, ask her. Now she first started they swear for me. So she first start the swear where we say we go eat. I can make my yard here like if say when we say we go eat for there, say I could go fight for there. Maybe me tell me come fight for this life, more no see. But say I food to go eat, no me see we go fight. More they see now what go happen because you can't just come up and just start insulting somebody where we go eat for where we never know whether he has dead there. You understand me? Near river. I never know where this one they stay. We go eat. How you go just come and say we go eat? You see that's why we do TikTok for there. We dance, we come out, we dress, even wear clothes, wear white self, me even wear white. Omomebo wear red. We can't go the dance for there. How you think we won't go fight you? When you already talk to me already, you already beg me, I already rest. So what you go think say we want to go fight you for them? Why you go think like that? Because you want me to carry my own coming side. You want cost me. You understand me? It's not because they cost my own picking. For what now?
Yes, okay, wait, Mama, on behalf of everybody where they watch us, on behalf of all the Benin people, everybody where they watch us, I say I beg forgive and forget. Very sorry. For all those insults, who insult your children, where insult your family, where insult your mother, I beg. Me they beg you now. As the mouthpiece of this shoe, I beg. Forgive and forget. From today, Lady Aiku will not insult your family again. You will not insult your children again. From today, henceforth. I believe you not see insult your family again or insult our children again or anything. You agree like that, madam?
No, I know. Since then that thing happened, now where we just come out, come to the for because I just say for me, I don't come out again, no, because I just say what me do my mind, what me want do, do my mind. You understand me? I don't come out to sort them again, no. No, now so, you understand me? Because when you say as they talk, I say no be carry and go give her. Me. Yeah.
So I beg everybody where they here, let me say I beg to Lizzie should rest. I beg let me tell say I beg. For those one will be peacemaker way day here, not be one with the fair trouble. All those peacemaker way day here. When I say I beg to Mommy Lizzie, make this matter calm down a little bit for her side, okay? More than the writer for conversation. So Mama Aiku, you don't hear me?
Okay.
Mama Aiku la easy now, Lizzie now very well. Una know each other well.
Yes.
matter na do season no wa is shameful thing for all the years when I don't know. The matter no my say anything only do season no wa no gba. So mama from today no kind easy no you can wear a platform anything it matter ge igwayo tinye from today why ati we me a
ya we no
now if no can tayo if no even though say olele orin we cool we wa see ai or some ma make sure anyway now for because we do when it matter ge la dia wa who I can't be offended. When I do la dia wa ko do bury me do de ba ya we do hallelujah hon no gba.
Okay.
Now imagine me when na no lao no kind easy na wa fe ko wa pause. Si c'est we umanu because we ni amu yo yero ohun the pepper because nobody will go put that kind of life for us any man we cross the man they always you know the kind of allegation will be that
Brother Anita Mawe Elizira me kwebu yen gele tamame we yen homa no mweme gi Frank or me kwebu yen Tony mami emeni me atama na be na iya ya fe fien o menwe all day we platform na be na
Bros, I tell you just I say, yes, I still say, I tell her say, I know carry my matter go give her. I don't talk say now we could carry my matter go give her more.
Okay, you
but
believe say no be me.
I don't know. See,
he say, Mama Aiku, you know the year team lady. He say he no say not be you. Carry Frank go give carry a matter go give friend. Say he believe. Say not be you. Hey, Tamara sing. Mama Aiku.
Yeah. Frank talk and say, I say when Frank talk say, now he can't give her. Now cause okay, maybe na lobo. Now take go read. That's why I talk. You understand me? Because like Frank is matter talk and say, now he can't go give her. So what you think I believe? Because I know I know can I go give her. She say maybe that one go meet her.
Okay.
Lobo. You understand me?
We are listening, man. We are watching, man. You are telling me, we are watch.
So me not fit deny for anybody. Me don't know who talking because I just say lobo because I normally he ask me I say I worry you want to matter me give Frank. You understand that was the beginning when I say for inside Trump. You understand me? So now later when Frank talk say yes, the first day when Frank talk say Lizzie Omomebo take go where they teach or no more matter Lizzie is Aiku. You understand me?
When no Frank you have a boy of a platform, who go ta?
Okay, maybe na lobo na tell you there.
When no have or Glen go na mo, when no go na have but now when Frank live boy platform okay. Where guy Aiku or when Frank Lizzie give me when no have boy when no ye ke vive boy when no ye money ye ke vive be have boy. Na ye. Ata wo no ha. Ama when no wo kan wa ko wolo. So far no me akwa no ya zo yi.
Emi ave de kon ni bon.
Brothers, me never even know Denmark before. I never even entered Denmark for my life. I never even entered Denmark before. I never for my life.
So just pause mona. Mother Aiku, I beg. You see Anna say she don't tell you now say he know say not be you go carry the matter give Frank. So what you get to talk?
What I get to talk be say, you see this Lizzie, this woman, I really know her for this Belgium. Wait I take describe her just now, say she go fit beat 3 men in 1 minute. If she say their finger no go touch her, he no go touch her. So Tanania.
Yeah.
Lizzie, o pe aropa ma wujo bere we. O solo bo pa kene Frank na honi. Owo wi gbe otalemane. Ki o ma wujo my we na. Imaye hon egino ko na we bona. Ni ya la bona. Me be no ibe ta. Don't know what Jemere because me watch a Franco we
control with different things or Talia. So
me but I would on my way, I bomb my I would on my way. Opianiga is a woman, Opiani do wood on my way, Imaye home and Dedeme David Bay. Imaye be on Dedeme de. Ige erie oya yon ni gioma o to gbo ma wa o imaye hon ede o unu e Frankie ana hono na oge ere ya we gbigbe agia oni ma ima oni wo iye ti gbon yo ni emi e fana Emie fana.
Yeah.
Iwa on ebo na je. Imae hon de demede. I'm almost 20 years. Ni kere bejon na. Doma ekwe se 20 years. Dokwe gbeda 20 years ne. Iye kori egbe me le ekian.
Okay. God
Imae
bless you.
hem ye fana. Agboma wa.
Like we tell them for
I
English.
would on my way. I never hear her. Now like the boy they talk. Done frankly.
No, wait. Waiting Lady Aiku talk. He say this lady where they call Lizzie. He say the lie whether they lie against and say people any man with a friend they always cry for her chest. This woman say he don't the bench for 20 years. She never hear that thing once. He say if to say don't see here he will talk her. Say but the one where they tell they say na lie that they put for her hair because two of the girls from now making lock up. So
yes. Also, he said that he bad person.
you mama, may you wait. So now if they tell you word now say that the whole truth in the talk now say this lady any lie whether they lie against her say now so you go they do a travel for that country now so a woman mark back for all those is a force. Now Frank or Moswell they use and cause wahala for their body. So man I not believe anything where they talk. This woman, no man or woman look back for her chest. Now they hear me, so man I not believe is a force just to saga make she forget depression. That mean they do one. So Lady Aiku is the man talk and I say he has been Jamie Benjo for the past 20 years. He never heard that kind of rumors once. Okay, that one don't pause. So Lady Aiku I bet from today, I know I may talk anything we concern Easy again, and Easy not talk anything we concern you again. I believe say 12 and don't hear for that area.
Me I don't hear because you get beat 3 men o. Na do gbo hin amon yet. Me I say ata me police na.
We're posting Madam.
Oh gbigbe ha upa
Madam Lizzie. We are radio. Who be calculating the yawe me. Madam Lizzie, unmute yourself.
Okay, hello.
Madam Lizzie lao Aiku me. Now they don't have your packet. They don't have your packet. Mama Lizzie, talk to us.
Bros, I really appreciate you understand. You know why I climb up, you understand me?
Okay.
So I don't climb up, they say they repeat the thing. Let me climb up, okay. Making sweat too. If not true, say me don't die, man, I don't die for my. Let me climb up. You understand me? Let me climb up. You understand me? Because I wanna bow okay.
Where you did blast in network, not the way you did.
Guys, you know, enter me like I don't want to talk about. I want make I you know. I don't know. Imagine here time. Oh my baby, you know say where see how near money. You know, they want to put the name where don't straight. They want to pull for my hand. But me too, I get business, I get restaurants. You understand me? Somebody come and say that kind of thing happen. People go to run for me now. You understand me? So you can't come out and come and spoil my business. You ask me to keep quiet. No. I want to keep quiet. You know me. I stop for myself. I go to Nigeria every 2 times in a month. That is the travel. You know, since I could know.
Mama, you don't know me now. From today, anybody way carry your matter, come they talk like this, you just call me. Not fear. You will know why they call me Sugusugu. And they shit for people ask. It's a man, I have a full woman. It's Sugusugu. It's Sugusugu. So from today, as we settle this two issue now, anybody wants to bad issue again, may cost one like today. So that one come pass. That one don't pass. Okay, Mama, when I wait, I want to call Lizzie. I want to call your godfather now, Mr. David. Lizzie, are you there with me?
I'm here.
Okay, I want to call your godfather now, Mr. David. So more hear from her. I take carry the why about to come and go here.
Incoming call.
When I meet you, I said,
Incoming call.
hello, bro.
I beg, I think you put that for speaker.
Yes.
I beg, before you call them, you get what I hear just now. They just confirm, give me say, but I could say, now David Ray Kale and can't give her because me, I not believe before based on say now what I could they talk. Now me they follow away say see the reason why in the
Good tell me say that David can go give am make come talk. You tell me now.
Yeah.
I get David voice for my phone.
Okay, mama, I could wait.
If it be truth, just that Mama Aiku come overdo am. Na that one I tell
my sister, my brother, when meji, agamwe me, SS. Even if you there now, if you see the way I take the balance some of their talk, yeah,
brother, wait, no
balance.
Yes, bros, wait. If the kind matter can't give you, at least if you know the person, you go call the person, ask him question, bros. You understand me? You go call and ask a question.
Mama Lizzie, may you wait. May we hear from your godfather first.
Okay.
No, you wait. More listen for it. More hear from.
Don't please.
Yeah.
Don't please, I beg. What do you want really find out? Because I can't know. Now I can't understand. Say they cannot come meet. Aiku they doing work. So I can't overdo.
So, bros, you still there here? I mean, your wait. You still call. I think get what I will ask you.
What I want me you help me ask. When you go help me ask David. Don't please.
Yeah.
You get what I want me you help me ask him before you call him. So I want really find out whether Omomebo really commit adoption. You tell me.
Where's the be more manana? Me no tia no go ask now. We all dey watch. Man, we are watch. We are watch. So everybody, mona power tap. And I know say gift no did they suspend me. Blows. I bet mona power tap. I'm gonna share the live stream so that everything what they do here, it go make people to the learn. I know they can come out for platform where be say my topic, you know, go teach one person sense. My topic, one person must speak something inside. That's
bros, no, but if you bring me that, I go come up later if you want me. If you want me, just come. Thank you.
No problem. So now your godfather be one corner. Now be make you be.
No, I go the listing. If you bring me come up, I just give it to the one just.
Before I bring you come down, beg. Mama Aiku, I know I'm gonna call again for all this issue again.
Bros, I say I don't think I know they quarrel with anybody. You understand me? Because maybe talk say anywhere where I see him, me I go die with them because you know if they carry my name, they cost me when I never cost them.
That aggression with your body don't calm down now. Now leave that what I do today. I thank God for my life. Mama, I beg. Yahweh, even though taste a big thing, I do want to well, may say big thing over I beg. Aiku is still your sister, no matter what. They are trying to manipulate things here. Manipulation inside this matter. So we need to understand that without no gra. Move to understand that.
Okay. Bros, wait. I thought your kind of person called they beat and they sweat around, they cause the person no reply, you no go rest. So they can't force that woman to enter saga.
Don't do that.
They can't force her to enter saga.
We'll hear everything and no verse, okay? Mama easy, I bet you don't say the Omomebo. You don't say you fit tell Omomebo say may he come. I foresee interview as more. I don't see Omomebo. Well, maybe tear it so that even interview here.
Maybe I remember not where we are there. I never know. Just
I will tell her some call her. I still hear from her. Very, very. Make she still talk. What happen? Where be say this woman is sagara all the time. Okay. I don't bring you come down. Okay. So, my lady, Mama Aiku.
Damosa.
Why I take the record a record in David Yamo no ya go egwa.
No ya jinjame no ro ekin ape. All the other record iya be tore be ya vie ni kere. No why ya jinjame o wari eme total gumegwan David.
Oh my we ka pe the most.
No ya jinjame no ro ni kin ape na.
Why we say get pe everybody hear am before I call
a boy na Esther Tosho Mo.
Where?
Jerry.
Mo, the master issue. Yeah, a matter now. Jerry yes to a side of this is.
I will do a clip for something with social media.
But I can feel me here with you.
Oh man.
The judge won't pay what I will. I reckon the cottage, but judge won't pay. What I may judge well. Okay, I will Jerry Agwe.
Okay, damn it,
it's remember real life. Or Agbe don't want it you. Okay, now later, bye.
Remember real life of Bebodo. Iye o ni mebe kiori me ni mebe Agbe. Ori me tota.
We na we work we go.
Na ni ha. Ori bona na pa refoni na ni keru wona. Ori bi e ya yon fe yare.
It's remember real life. Or Agbe don't want it you. Okay, now later, bye.
It don't any kind of fury.
Play everything.
Because Amagume gwa before Ama we are recorded. Or you meant to tag Gumegwan. And the way do na where we are domino. David Yamavia gume gwen we recorded David. Ideni
Yeah, never ya beg so to far call when we may play everything as a plan before we not call the man we carry a wife come out so that we know whether not true the man they talk or the man want your saga the woman. We want to hear from the man.
epa eko wa be la oban. Ya we useti ma be lizini. Oge David wo kan ya gbelegbe wa bodo.
I know the man who got
Hello.
the man who got
One ya. Eko wa be la mana ban. Ya we David gume gwa gume gwa secretly. Useti ma be lizini. David Omomebo ya ya gbelegbe wa bodo.
ye mani guwe are e mani
No,
do.
baba iri pe gbera no na.
Listen. When I say that be because
Oda be yan gi mu na gume, but iri pe gbera na.
woman na pe igati David na boezo gbu e. Wa wonu pe igi ko nu pe.
Imi afio gu e ya afio ya gi we ipe be mi dia.
Okay. So you know say nata igati David oga boezo gbu e. Wa pe igi ko e. Go yan ni call we na. Yan mari yo bonu is there o. Yan mari yo bonu e. The buyer don't call you well because people they feel say now they don't know whether the man recall you and they try to do everything for you, make it easy. Yeah,
Baba la ho eko wa be la obana.
okay, when no sunu or when I start the call.
Imi afio ya gi we me pe be mana.
What say the yagi men now in real life now? We say the yagu me. Say the yari. Ya pe ya man. Say the yari.
Oh, malake mi no una. Be we be ni social me we be ni wina na je na na.
Emetana na when you say the yari, mona no dey breed this girl. Mona no carry this girl come up. Say when you say the egun Lady Aiku when meta. I say may you send that give me. I don't say may you play again. Send that give me. Why they talk all this? People they vex or you now say you the saga Omomebo. They no know na person na your Omomebo husband na carry matter give and you they talk and they not really believe.
Baba.
Who types is there where
Baba, where say Baba, ni wa temi pa ma we where say Baba. Oh man no he me de open e wahin. Oh ti oni no ga agun ban. Oh wa emi so wa. E li na khana. Iya wa e family me ya so wa. So ya awo money hin. Iyo mono gwa kipe mi. Konfi e matana Baba la ho. Useti ma be lizini. Omomebo kakebe David when you agbelegbin ya wa.
Mudia, I will read your mama.
Oh Baba.
Oh, when we're Jenna, okay, the other lady in the
Omomebo sodoa. Amanigi onu wo duku Baba. Ide Baba.
Because then Omomebo, akakare gwa the justice in who ba
Baba, dame ho.
ya saga
Dame ho Baba, dame ho. A lady na ọkọ na tie bo no hiame. No ye pisho me keke wo David ya yin duku ba. Iyonu de gbe mu ego duku. No ta ma me mi no balo e. De ni me kena ya we mi na ni we TikTok me. Do respect you. Because a pichi we me yo ya ke fake account.
O ma no fake account we me mure no te no balo, no fake account me ma head de ma head.
Ah ouais, il pose pichi jian aye taba.
Oh, man, no calling it. Or me boring one, and no ta.
Oh, yeah, we're not going.
Before you go go, we record on my way, mute side way.
Okay.
Mute side way. No be no be aju abi e wash mama o den fun re yo
e mai
o den fun re yo David the devil yo. That means David the watching mama. Baba Azo one of Rwanda. Agree to Baba. David the deaf or devil yo. David the mamwe phone. That David when you there. David the no or devil yo. I beg. Okay, on Daniel we at it. David ati. David, if you are watching me, you have to call me. Tiene o. Na do me ma we ask we Wahala. Tiene David. Uwo ha ya de dogi no wo ha. Una me mata gi Aiku. Na ya igba Aiku na we ya le. Aye e wo ya igba Aiku we ya le. Wo me mata wo ha gi Aiku. Wo wa me gbe dogi wo wa. O ma me wo la vien. Now, Aiku is like matter na. Imani is Aiku igba Aiku we na le. Na David. David. Egun esun picture when you cast shot picture when ya. Picture we whatever.
Baba le phone we kiri o.
Ni le phone we.
Me phone no say ten ma baba social media presenter. Our telephone. Our wo yi monu.
When phone mama madam wan ya we presenting working na.
Wa wo yi monu ni. Wan ya we mari.
Ya wo re gbiri agbo Madam wan ya agbo
Yeah, egbe me ni me kedere ade David kaba mari me kunu mari.
Na agbo media. Face to face agbelu bile lo a. Hello my brother, you know about the name Majo.
Short of the phone, I give no sooner. Aiku is innocent, just that over.
Yeah. Thank God you are understanding me.
Obi tu me ya bekin. When mama tie na ka agwin e dey egbe no.
Aiku wa ge gun an, ze gbe no gun an.
I give no sooner. Ikedi na even beg agbona. Aiku na dey well la, dey na agbe na David, but nya isu agba Aiku me ma many of them no la.
David malaja agba Aiku na ma David.
Lenini age na muja homa.
I we no play record na mo. Madam Aiku David mu na no we agbu we David malaja. Ave we ba me gbe na very o.
Ya kwa maladia.
Ave me gbe na very o.
That's it be won nania. Because every nation here here bo ja.
Every day you should know what he's doing.
But they actually come down.
Now, you come here, you're down because you're a woman now, they are manipulating her.
Yes. Yeah, you are so. Yeah, my area boy. So now, you're business now.
Madam Ikula, muted when is a get go one. Otiori manana.
Hello.
Omomebo na hina, the senior brother to Omomebo. Madam Iku, nya we ke nakpa. Imate Omomebo stop
Mebe were ne.
Stop saga ke nakpa.
Ni ende David Maya Ladian elo.
That means David on why you know. Agbe media na matita when I worry.
Yes, for no party me David mighty me mama David amawe.
So nya we Mr. Madaiku ke nakpa. Imate Omomebo gewu na tari. Tame David unya ga gwo o no ogbe na digbe izaza ga la gbe. When itana
yeah.
Bo hai we no sise le is Wahala ne o le gbogbo ave do gbogbo no
tasi
awa aga yan ave gbogbo aga yan so madam imana do miawe we no ado asi we lege because of senutonu o utonu gun na ikwo ni ro wodo ni igare.
Don't please la we women no madam Aiku we de Omomebo gelige ya abi saga no wuni
okay madam Aiku owe Omomebo gelige ya abi na tam we dota
we mani bi edu
yeah
do no baji every money or idu igodomi godo
yeah
every money odomi godo oh
una meet na self o
we wa bi oduku na
abi yawe
ijo bishi me na hin ya kiakanti
wo we ni moko na re ba
you need oku na you need yeah
I worry see ya na ya tan ya go abege mi ya fi we de picture me
dame madere mani bi edu idu igodomi godatima Emni ya la jabe media ikwo ni ge nya dafinya iya me gbere media
Okay.
Obi oho me bielena. E marriage ni fo na ade webo. Ima hanya bi oho one day. Bona ni de ro wana. So yan ro webo, yan ya we kie daki wo e. We ri kie daki ri wa gumare ebo. Yan me gbebe media. So Omomebo ona ya we birthday wore ex boyfriend Oliver. Wega la we ex boyfriend we awa no wedo tazo
My far away or hotel. Anybody can go to hotel.
But hotel ni ide
Hotel
ex boyfriend no.
Mommy,
Ordinary one side. Oh, what me bona ka ide baba ide.
I saw with my belly way in so we be agwo
Ide ordinary one side. Oh, what me bona amume with that where wona awa mu go ju won wo wa. Una le medi egbe. Boy kan we kan hotel Oliver. Den do eri do me no ba me but do eri tie vene. O do na do gbegbe story mame. Iga shawo no. Eriota.
Okay. Only that possible.
Yes.
So a brother no guana owe no lao owe a matter what na ikanjin wo na kan be no lao from today no what possible.
Eyo ne sana ka guane no wa mo pishi ma be David na.
Madaiku
baba. Okay baba. Okay.
Wait, my sister fair wait. Moisugusugu. Iga gwa imata. Have matter to immediately. Video we kaya bina the David drop here because the David na na mercy. E bank cannot do rescue we. Okay. Cannot ladia. All the time when you tia Aiku, okay. Aiku, e mi no Omomebo.
Okay.
So that na nyemana ladia na nya asu we na asu we bulu. Mama be David. Mama na gbenana.
Away social media ita man. We are gbemu away social media presenter to social media presenter no. Away gwa yi mai.
So emi away go all the video nu ya tie bonija Aiku and ije Omomebo tu me no bag because wa Omomebo tell wa na misunderstanding wa can make be na voto o mo do me mata Omomebo guwe enwa ayawe e matenwa agamugime mana enwa eyawe when enwa na ya gbo fenoraki na gbe gbake when you mama
Yeah.
So other picture ije Omomebo
Right away.
Wow, you go mute yourself, lady.
We're dropping on that. There's never na. Na mi agugwa. No why you pishi me boy David kie mi oni me gugwa.
Okay,
no that there's never mono na fu amare.
Uma fi werie, madam, uma fi werie.
Later one day. I go ma fi werie. I dey later one.
That sabi wo fi werie.
Frank anime. Iya no ge Frank gbiyan we ni atie me. So we was say okay when the Frankie we be asaga we na tally rubbish we was say no me where reply
Okay.
Tu nya we reply if you me so gbenu ya agbe.
Yes.
Mo if you me so gbenu ya agbe.
Yes, only me wa ya agbe.
So any say matter we ai abi ni vi ogweni ya agbe.
Oh la demi we ladiane.
Yes, we are get lawa. It's all like leje gbere. So Omomebo na possible.
Yeah, where in
Possible. When you got
yes.
Okay. On enough for. So my brother, Otievo continue. Uyerema.
Orema.
So when the time man we can nakpa. Hey, we matter 12 aja, we matter 12 aja. Everything since today. Esugusu ugwane. So we be atam otun we atam.
Oh, the egbe kume fi latian o.
Dia madam. Yatam otun Omomebo. Tama we when you stop him my woman na we no to be see fire go door. Tie we no see we frack aga tie we na mu phone frack who da frack hin. Because a Frank odo dija hona no hona ka bogbe Omomebo. But today now you have Omomebo a friend na.
But yeah, friend, Frank even mama we go yo.
So he may itamu we na ke na gba na we yata mo ti Omomebo we na so no so ko na yi.
Wahala irony Don Prince he may promise you we na. He ask ya. Okay. Even ma you have no we no be PM ya gwe ya.
Ita man e wan we mama ita man but we a PG join on the platform no of ya to you to. You have be wherever ita man.
Wahala.
Mama Aiku when na ha na.
Imi avia to the baba ne wa via to re orije o orije.
Origin là very important.
Orije. Cause ori eli if you ni to re eli robie me if you go to re. Orije. Ije ma pa enfa. Ade kian ije ma pa enfa. Frank we ta mama wo me bo mo pichije me ladia. O se me na yo morije ladia.
No tie taban we wa settle mi ma da get for we ho were.
Okay.
Mama Aiku wa engu settle matter na get for we ho were. Una delete picture ga Aiku e. Okay Omomebo e platform ma mean anything.
Okay.
Mami. Here now we gbe sun again. Mama, when mudia my brother. Mada Aiku when they delete me ya the platform where okay no cause you never gbe sun we wait me. That what him na.
Yeah.
Wait, who recorded the thing? Who recorded the evidence ya table? Who recorded ya? Who team baba? Of it, ya we baby Ray.
Okay.
So we want any money. What?
Nita ba la wo we na ta my kuni we no be picture Omomebo you want no see you make na ti go Omomebo kun we or be picture we yin why we dey pe ba but o na view yin e give me egwu ayin.
Oh worry of your time ba no time if not time I must to wear imam we now of your kan of advance ne masa anything not time I must to wear so we have here ya tell we te view we ogi jo pa ya view but we ni ya gwegwan we have here ya yin
Beni ware mana ije ni ye phone we vie yayin.
So okay, thank God. We'll see. So as a leader we here, you have to know about it. You have to know as a leader we here, we make sure we set to side where we don't want. So una me David, tie David we no ya mo 20 ria, wa malake, wa ya go David go. Tamawe, we no ya mo 20 ria, wa malake because Lady Aikuna or said the record is so good. I don't make so. Wa beg in David ita. Okay. Koyo, Omana. Okay. Koyo, Omana. David Falk, what you were omitted boy, or was so better.
Damo, padamo.
Aiku, what were no now the picture of Jimmy Allen. Wow,
When the cat I see what is Jeve, mommy man of one or who. Oh, the picture of
Agwala Jasi, no, even Agwala Jasi.
He wear picture. Okay, Yeve, not Jaladia, because a cousin of Omomebo. So you man of one, you're a big mommy or Rima. So another picture of Galadana, ya mobile bivy, mobile bagmoya. You understand? Or you may provoke when you measure TikTok or Facebook, you are because a life in live, a life about what they live. You understand? Or what they
we're on the way, or we have him, you have a thing, you dare with you.
Yeah, what you lad you want one of them because a picture yeah, a cat in never no, I am no king, I'm a part more. So, oh, not see Marvel, manager, so to what drop everything go drop.
Then original when need a settlement here.
I got drop baby ya cover Omomebo ya my can they face David. You don't bag woo. David don't sue.
So we not turning na we are video. Or you drop David in no more like we face David. Okay, David like because but David na David mamwe phone. David gi mama na o mamwe phone. That means only why you David in. O mana ni do ku o si ai. O maza ayo ko bi ani me. Imam ya la de social media do gbiyan. O yan mu me la do gbi me. Abi daddy daddy me. Daddy me. Egie daddy me daddy. Iwo mi bele ni me. Ya mu me la de do gbi me. So David, wa ohuona wa kote gari no fe ko si anu wo re yan. Si anu wo re ka David. Oko, me on ba won ma bie, o ma ti ki wole komu yobo. Awon ma bie.
Otene biene. Obiene, yes. Obiene.
David e bie na.
David, o ma gboni me kano ya wo kwa.
Frankie, Omomebo ta mi rin mo.
Obiene.
Frank of the secret yaladian.
O ma ka me kan Frank ni mo go ti me Obiene.
David ma ti gwo Omomebo e no bie.
Oni Ejoma liki na ni me kia.
Umeti ki ekeri dogi ne no bie.
David, you don't buy market, oh. David, you don't buy market. For mercy, the family, who will buy market, David? Where? Yeah, no, that one, I don't like wala dia. You go
I'm not telling that 24 hours I watch. Agbe.
Then I have to Jerry, stay your malada don't go egbina.
Jerry. Esther. Waga gwan ni ye egbuwa, ikagbuwa wa eme.
Secret la do pe ya social media be de ko emu.
Wa ko me secret rogba, lare, we me secret rogba.
Epa, emi yata.
I'm no ba me wa gbele ya platform me. Gbele ya de.
Well, they copy cake code, only my we no copy cake code.
My sister,
Brazil.
Lady Aiku, or have a picture between every everything when have a picture in the picture again where ya saga that was here in body.
Yeah, no problem.
You never tiwa no dio or do guaba. Our no guaba where
brother man, uncle.
Okay, brother, who when atamu ta where everything will be peaceful. Okay, could respect the brother when
Yes.
Yata?
Yes, he have no time.
So, Kena Bana, Lady Aikuna, Saga Omomebo.
When I swear, yeah, saga, when I swear, yeah.
Where worry, Saga
Because you are
Omomebo.
my eyes on you.
When I go where swagi me lelua.
Maka come social media. What is them?
Melela cantina, me feta cantina.
Saga. Mana ladia, mana
We are listing more guana, we are listing. Awe matter to what matter juwa mu yoto le so e matter Aiku wa ya le mu yoto re na
my take concern.
we ba na face na omozuo de ba David David o sie kokuno no gba ya na David odo mwe matter David o mwe matter what tie matter o ha ona mugi
Eli David omuere
I'm Mateli. Aiku idogun ayona. Ona dokin ezo. So it in my beg the matter. So what I'm trying to tell you guys now is that Lady Aiku we here with the matter ne. Winere and when we attack.
Odafe Jerry. Jerry Yodukun. Odafe Star.
Hello, Daffy
Jerry.
I greet you.
To you are very guancy. Based on say that because say Lula TV because of a new taba, but based on the whiskey, the cow I don't need better for them, my brother. When we are going, or make sense. Where I mean, my matter affair, Kedwado, we know do ya. Ina wa oni ya kwa ya ni kuria redado. Understand? When me be where normal thing what no we when we generania o kin ati we me bi wa o kan we na gui o do mu mi mo yo we o mo me de ko yin wona do ari e o we ya na do ari e cut yo. Understand? As o bi abi ni me say I me ma o me na we o teme be o kan ga me mo me e na ti o teme we e na ti o teme we baba remni o yeah, where wow, however, my Otavana book could total time we had it even a carrot was 3-4 months in the year by worry. Understand? When I was to know, where you're not to tell me, you're not to fears to there, and I will keep problem mirror. I mean, I will get a go tower and not Omomebo. Because my man no bagger, in me, we know Hamedi no bagger me because the manavage, Belgium, and I don't know, Tebedi no Hamedi no bagger me. Onari ino bare me. Then that year, Omomebo, asoko ni e whatever marry asebe na yawu ena ti ena wa hello ona to we bra Jerry ena mama bi aye e wo yes na we ba ma we se o una whatever you worry ona wa gan ona wa fia ona wa zao we so menore we ba we gwa mi na the next ona wa fi phone yo bon they don't give you phone you want na ni ya gwa ni na kana wo kamera ke dije ena emina we wa fi phone yo bon o kana me na ga paro o kana we eri o kana mi phone na we gbe tie o kana ya li ekeme na kana me da wa be ke o ere me na ila owo wa do me na ya mi phone ya na ya agwa o do ni me gi yan ya wo kana gwa Guma week or any hand they call the talk, but now na kana me na move me na ro wa me you relax you na do agwa again me ya me stay say ya gwa pe and me do get you be na do me rio to na wa me na wa stroke me na do total me you na that dey no ga talo ma o ka me eri o tebe wo na ma wo na eri yo yo go ri ogboko ri wo na tale mi ni bun then o ka me na ta me wo ni se eri o wọ́n ẹgbẹ́ na máa kí náà láti hàn máa kí ẹ̀mẹ̀ náà máa wọ́n ẹ̀mẹ̀ náà láti hàn bẹ́ẹ̀ yọ ẹ̀mẹ̀ náà àdùn láì social media nẹ̀bá náà ẹ̀ máa ẹ̀mẹ̀ dùn àtàlọ̀ máa kí ẹ̀ máa ọ̀gá náà dùn àgọ́ ẹ̀gbọ́n wíwá o ọ̀wé yẹn kú ẹ̀ ọ̀wé tètè àwọn alájà ọ̀wé ọ̀tẹ́mẹ̀ kí wọ́n ṣe kàn ọ̀yẹ́ sẹ̀ tèmi náà ní tẹ̀lé ọ̀gá náà wẹ̀ ẹ́ rí ọ̀nà ẹ̀ sọ́nà ẹ̀ máa ẹsẹ̀ nùwà náà jìgà ìwádìí mi náà mú pàmì náà ìyí wà gẹ́gẹ́ náà yàtọ̀ ọ̀tẹ́mẹ̀ àjẹkà rí ọ̀tẹ́mẹ̀ àjẹkà ẹ̀mẹ̀ náà wà mú mi náà pa ìsì èkènyà àjẹrè ẹ̀mẹ̀ náà kà mọ́ ní bọ́ támọ̀ kà mẹ́wẹ́ so ọmọ mbẹ́ náà fìfó nìyẹn mọ́ because we rudi gwegwa e mana we my brother ri my yaro then mana do mi gbe party ni how we Germany we wana oso we kan pa we birthday ona we birthday 50 years birthday mana say party ni me mate be ni awe ye no me ge ya ye no MC ye ni ya si wa ah me we oni obuko tebe na kin obu ye no na kana me ma ye gbe na we mate be because me awa mu gbe we mu ya ora ni me go ma o because you know ya very ke ni je na wa ko we are o kana o ko to na wo ya me na be we my brother
Yeah.
the manado we gbe ji ko ba we Holland Mrs Adesa gbona we birthday again we Holland mo drive o kan me ari ba ni my wa we se ba ni my ya wa we gba mana ya aro my ya wa we ro me wa we ge me wa ibe bege ina ko tra bezo ikamiyo omu o egumegun iwa go wa me iwa re otu ma no si keme me na ko mo awo bo me go wa bu mi ade o wa yo bo gwe me gbe ni egui yen ma bege me vederi o ni na me party ni egui bezo ya gba ibe ge na we aso wa we bu mi ade do yin we bu ni egui na yo bo gwe me me re egwe ne ibi o pa ero ibi egwe na aso wu ka me ma bege me problem mi ro ma na wa be lock up bro ni ma ya ro ma ri ro ni from there ele my want me even call automatically call me na brother o ka we me wa me we ni agui o we yen ma bere me be kini na ka me automatically ka me wa me party o na we ka me party o ma go me go but we yen ma bere me but we bo we me gbe we o na ma kan yen wa va me wa me iya bo gba me sure okay problem mi ro e me na e we o so it was but after my year party ni for then when party ni shoot so na do ala de ni amarere wona me wa bi e to pa dero wu me bi ne me kingu na ngune ava me ga je be dero me so wa me kingu na rode to 12 me ge me na we me wa we la top me wa ge yan wa mo picture otemeladia with a picture Omomebo anyway I was sunu me ze ge ma oni ve chi Frankie that why we ma bi tie ina we already the next day iwa we gbe kingu na re because me kingu na re ni o very re one because I will not kingu na rode to 12 but also day 1 2 3 o be kwere then now we lie a titopi ni wa ya la titopi ni igwa re o we gbe wa mo picture otemebe Omomebo o we gbe muladia I mean like we me na ige na wa a picture ti me na kina wa ya wa ti Frankie wona e wo ki mete bi na gbe ya won na la wo me no be Frankie ona wo boti e ka me no ba na wo ye me die na wo ye no ba me o wa che ko wo ye gele mo na ri me e wa re mi wa ti Frankie o wa line na otewo afa we ro we Mr Jerry ibu me matter me so ni me no wa so di me wa ni we Jerry ro wa so di me wa ni ina okay la wa we mu ye platform na bo sunu otewe no dio na kina iji mo si me David Pogeva mo ejo ya no dio Now we are America do more baby now la wo brother la. Now at least do can we me baby na la jan. Ge ya ka awon na ya we he. Ana okay no problem. Near worry yan mo yin. E me na e me ya drop. They be now have me na ye bi e gani me na relax. The next thing baba me wa now we work out time you don't want a platform you a platform you ni me ya tie ta no me nwa no mo picture time ni. The way as la jan na gbe the time yo wa the time wo na the time agbo etefo ne eri yan zagbo no man eri yan wo na do tally many emi ya no magi no to no wa now we are da na do bo me we emi na do bo asu no ekpoku na no wa ya tally no talo na eri wa ya we gbe la ina gbe yin platform ni ina prank na we ze yo na emi na wa bitin me we ze yo no wata na ere asunu when I started my brother if ani make o wona ke so am shoe ona so aro bi ona do ata mi awe me gbe Davidi eri me yin ma me gbe ni a lot of things don't allow but only gbera ne because boy am you do ku na ba uta we rugia because of teme madaiku ye guana we o teme mu mata giye o ti me bi me mu mata teme ka kama me la wo ye ma ni mata na la social media because me ya record ne ni ma ewe o teme tama me o teme be ti last 2 weeks we ni ma ewe even over the ne wona na me ona la jana do ata lo ge Omomebo o teme na ye ti me wo ni la wo ni ma ewe be mata na Ilao, even with last week in Akepatire last week on Patio last week. Saturday, it was a Saturday. Me worry you me go tell me what him because I made a video no Omomebo where I want to only lao or when my son Omomebo I win my way because they name matter the boy ya already tiny. Emi ya onye boy be ne. Ge na okay pa. Na we pa ikwe na we one moment na do ate boni jime. We go ata regime do party vio regime do na vio na we you know okay they we when me we o ka we be tie bon we ti ya gbe gbo we ri you one o tie bon family me o be tie bon me we ka said you me gbe me kere for that simple reason if you saga o to na we how ni yegwe even before a Victor Kedwa saga momiku Momiku ove we ni so no ma de yo aka we no wan we no ma gba because e no say na te nitana e no mo bo won we picture no mo me bo won ari be peze ma kenya we na ari seafood wa ni awo mo me bo we picture we yen na do ata we ni do gbi na ni do wo na otaye we che mesa we we ba no na ya ari ba we but no ni ya we me na ti oteme we la wo we ti mama iku Muhammad no ewe bi mata na we ya George mata na we na ewe wo o te na buye be tie na we la wo baba wa ye tie la wo tie nu gbe ewe no ewe mata na mai aso buya sete mi ya fe ne wa ewe you understand me kadu ade ni ya me we Frankie sada mama iku o ma je me because no why mama iku ki o bi o kan we me we you understand me but it don't get we ya do gwan your banner. Odo je na gbo ti side aro pa o ti side no ke
bros
because they know ya me la du pa because go atawe wa udo gbejeri udo ka gbejeri de u ka gbe stade e o se na la du ku gbe ni tama wewe e lu tari ma pa
wait let me still explain Omomebo fair you know ya kwa for u beg me and we explain nana everything you explain in time here I believe leader Aiku is here a guy na brother na Mr. David now we a cousin we not twin when Mr. David dewe woya tame Aiku we Omomebo ge we kele go na ro wa wo ge David etam we dewe Omomebo ge ya ku yero
David no me brother we ja ko no ma we ja ko we no ma e mi no ga ki o ga mama Aiku ga support hello where relax be mata ni sunu be estara agwan ama me ma de David yata me mama Aiku mata ma Mama Aiku very star relay ona adi ona do support star na agwa. Ihe di matter ya so. And oteme ma be kama me dewe eri o ma ge no teme e pa ni yen da mi o me e pa ni yen no teme ta ma me even edeni oteme na ari Nigeria na ya we birthday the Omomebo iya wo oteme we yen ma yan na ka mi we as a boyfriend o ge onya o te yan na ya we birthday
Oliver,
oteme we na do no e yan we birthday for them we Larry one mi we mana ka mi we yes boyfriend we onya hotel na we mu ya adina we ba ni ya wo Omomebo na mu pamapo we da oteme gi fie mi Omomebo na wa mu pamapo na ya va to me wie ana van asti she ba ni even me give evana mega aje mere ba evana mega aje ba team me Nigeria we a me no sunu we Omomebo va to me wu ya gwale hospital ya ka mu ari ya ka mu yeso ya ma ri ya ma treat ya mu ri yo we then edagi gbe me na ti oteme we ipa ni o ya wo Omomebo va wo wo sunu pa na ka ma we ni eze ya ego ge ya ta but edagi ogi eze na ido sunu na bia ge guna na pa na do mu picture ni gu we ogele va yo we but ma wo yen wa oni yen keep ma out of the matter. You understand me? Oteme ma ka ma we there work o ma but
okay, since the matter Mr. Jerry, since the matter na keroto or two meta mu we there we Omomebo ge we
Maka ma me wo ge wo yen. E no ka ma me we you know what ka ma me said your we respect omoropa. We ani agwo egwan ehon. Ave file me so kwa we no ya disrespect yen. Even self we ona do tell me no ya van yon we ya fe any ya ta lo. Even we dan
Nepa, God bless you. Mrs. Madam Ikula, omite sadi we. We and Mr. Jerry Tana, unhemi ya nota.
You understand eso wo ge o ka wo ikabe tama we ban ina wo ka o na we Esther ora agbe Omomebo so ina hin oduku we bani ege ni ima ebere David wa o ege ban me David se me mo boy la janviri o ege ni David ya giere na do gwale no ba me rire ege no ya mi no ba me bo tie me me na ya mi David restore David na igbo koto talemi ya fefe mami ona evie picture no ya vayon hu ona evie ya fe ona vie ya mami
No wa de me woni wa hu we David ri unu tam oranu tamu we Omomebo ore wo wi
owe emi no wata owe oyawe birthday wore ex boyfriend dey ona do vayon hu uwe we na khami roge
okay uwe va ya na ka mi
uwe
wo
birthday ni ana khama we ne David we me go pe ana no wo kan we do we birthday we store na ige ohu wo kan emi na we what
okay oyawe birthday ore esore eye we ya conclude we ore na
owe na tamiye be ba
anye to bien viare ni birthday
yes e ba ya na va hu ma te we mi no kin e pa da mi ho
àwọn na ga wo
da mi ho baba Omomebo iya we according to when David ya gumegun ege ni me na support star David ma gumegun ege ni ikawe tama we ban ina we I market platform me ne Omomebo but iga ahin o star owo ke Jerry ege ni David ya mi no bi me wogi call me ne we ban yen ke gwali me we mari ya ta ma ne gi mere media me na igari story wa ona do gbobo koto talevi ya fefefe mami do vie photo la dia ya fefefe we no ya va hu e be ya e ba ni me na we but ata me we o ma va wo hu adomate police nu e mi paro David mata mame ya se gbi ho no ga ro wi moto de na Omomebo te police ne Omomebo ite police ni ene owo na was a police ke ri yin pa ona de ge la wi moti ona ya ri ho ni akwa me de more than 1,000 something owo na we dulu yen god vio owo na ya we birthday we boyfriend dey Ija, dame na kai tama, mo ke wa tama ke nyaga re wa fe kya your way. Oya we be de wo boyfriend de.
Okay, boyfriend. Okay, as okay no na we birthday ni. Mr. Jeremy Tabawe. The man tami. Okay, but okay no na we already. Oh yeah, because on your team with Tabawe, iya only ya because what team ma get wo word there.
So ya ti ane David oni.